We know a plus b plus c whole square. It means a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus, here is a 2bc plus 2ca. By this formula, we are going to factorize this expression. It's a big expression. 2b²c² plus 2c²a² plus 2a²b² minus a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 minus c to the power 4. So how can we make like this? So first we can write like, here is a 2b²c², 2c²a², 2a²b², any of them. Any of them we can write 4, either b²c² or we can write 4c²a². So b²c², once you make minus 2b²c², it will become same, right? It will become same, and everything will be unchanged, like plus 2c² a² plus 2a²b² minus a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 minus c to the power 4. Now here is b²c², we can take common minus, so it will be 2b²c² minus 2c²a², then minus 2a²b², then plus a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4. But here is a problem. Problem is, look, here is minus, but here everything is plus. So how can we solve this one? Now we have to find out for what combination this become minus. Look, here is a and here is a, and both sides it will become minus. But here is a BC, no minus. So we can make like this way. We can write this 4b²c² can be write 2bc², right? Minus. Now this a to the power 4 we can write minus a² square. It will be a square. Why we are using minus? We will discuss few moments later. Then this is a plus b² square plus c² square, right? Now our target to make plus 2ab, plus 2ab. A means minus a², right? Minus a² times b². Now look, plus and minus, it will be minus, then 2a² b². It's a same thing, right? Now plus 2bc plus 2bc means 2b² c². It will be unchanged. Then plus 2ca, 2, then c² and then minus a². Now look, here is plus and minus, minus 2c² a². Here is also minus 2c² a². Now after this everything will be like this formula. It means a² plus b² plus c² plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, right? Then this one is 2bc whole square minus whole thing we can write as a plus b plus c whole square. That means what? That means a plus b plus c. A means minus a². So we can write in here like this, b² plus c² plus, and this one is a minus a² whole square. And here is inside another bracket. So we can write clearly, it means plus minus a². Okay, now look, it's looking a and whole thing is looking b. It means a square minus b square. In the second line we can also change like this way, 2bc square minus, here is a b square plus c square plus and minus minus a square whole square. Now it's a perfect thing. Now as per a square minus b square we can write a plus b times a minus b. How? It's a 2bc, then plus b means b square plus c square minus a square, right? And then a minus b, a means 2bc, then minus, and here is b square plus c square plus a square, right? And then it's looking b plus c whole square, and here is a minus a square, right? And same thing here we can write like 2bc minus b square minus c square plus a square, right? Okay, so everything is perfect. So this one we can write also b plus c plus a, because it also a square minus b square, then b plus c minus a. And what can we do in here? This one if we take common minus, it means here is a square, then from here if we take common minus, it will be b square, then minus 2bc, then plus c square, right? Now it's a plus b plus c, and this one is a b plus c minus a, and here is again one formula, a square minus this one is a b minus c whole square. And finally we can write like a plus b plus c, then b plus c minus a, and here is also again a square minus b square. It means first a plus b, it means a plus b minus c, and then a minus b minus c. So we need more line. So now we can finally complete this one, a plus b plus c, then b plus c minus a, then a plus b minus c, and finally a minus b plus c. There are lots of combination, and this is our ultimate answer. So it's looking a little bit bigger, but it's a common rule like a plus b plus c whole square, and also we are using a square minus b square. It means a plus b times a minus b. So by these two rules we are trying to solve this one. So thank you very much for being with me. I think it's not so important, but for good practice it's a very interesting math. So once you try to solve these kinds of math, you will learn lots of things, so you cannot avoid these kinds of math. So thank you very much for being with me. My channel is always with you. Please subscribe my channel, and I hope you will get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.